these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. Yeah.
Hey Glam fam, welcome to my channel. You know who it is. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY, here today to bring you all another inspiring glam DIY idea. Guys, we are at Dollar Tree, and guess what they had? They had these beautiful tumblers, guys, these disco tumblers. And I made a DIY a long time ago with these tumblers. I had got them from Walgreens. It was crazy, y'all. And then I'm going to use these picture frames. They are mirrored picture frames from Dollar Tree, and I really did like these, so I'm going to use these, and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to use our tumblers, and we're going to use as many as I have. And we're going to use these picture frames. We're also going to use some crystal diamond wrap. You can also substitute if you wanted all of the things to come from Dollar Tree. They had those rhinestone wraps, so you can use that if you like. So I just took the back of the frame and the picture out, and I used just the clear glass and I glued it in just to give it a clear background. And guys, you can add as many tumblers as you like, depending on how tall you want your lamp to be. And these tumblers are very light, so if you are going to keep this project for a long time, it would be good to use something like rocks or something to give it some weight. But it worked out pretty good. I didn't have a problem with it. Okay guys, so here I'm just putting the light in. You can use the push light or the remote control, but you can like change the batteries even if you glue it down or stick it on there. So that's great. This is how it turned out, guys. I think this turned out wonderfully. I used a lampshade that I had previously, and it was like $9 at Walmart, but it was on another lamp. I hope you guys like this. Let's get into our next DIY. Okay, so I went to Dollar Tree, and y'all, they had these lotus flowers. I thought they were so cute, so I got two, and we're going to use those two for this project. Okay, we are going to use the lotus flower, and we're going to add some crystal diamond wrap to this one as well. And this is going to be a simple and easy project. Okay guys, so this is how our second DIY turned out. Y'all, it turned out wonderfully. I hope you all got inspiration and a lot of motivation from this project, guys. It was fun to do a Dollar Tree DIY again. So guys, if you like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.